Change video speed in KineMaster. Want to speed things for a time lapse or slow down for a dramatic effect? KineMaster speed control has got you covered. Tap on the clip in your timeline in the pop-up menu. Tap speed. You'll get a slider. 1x is normal. Slide right to speed up and left to slow down. If you swipe right, you can speed up to 8x, and if you slow down, you can slow down till 0.25x. KineMaster will automatically adjust the duration of the clip in your time. If you slow it down, the video gets longer. If you speed it up, your video gets short. Easy. And yes, you can even apply voice pitch changes to match the new speed. Just toggle to the pitch option if you are keeping the audio. Use this for cinematic effects, vlogs, or fun social content.